Want to create a website in just a few easy steps? Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll be ready to launch your very own website. First things first, you need a domain name. Think of it as the address of your website on the internet. It should be short, memorable, and ideally match your brand. You can check domain availability on platforms like GoDaddy or Namecheap. Next, you'll need a reliable web hosting provider. Hosting ensures that your website is accessible to the world. Some popular hosting options include Bluehost, SiteGround, and HostGator. Choose the one that fits your budget and needs. After getting your domain and hosting, it's time to install a content management system, or CMS. WordPress is one of the easiest and most popular options. Most hosting providers offer one-click WordPress installations. Once installed, you'll have the foundation of your website. Step 4. Choose a theme or template. Now comes the fun part, designing your website. Choose a theme or template that fits the style of your website. WordPress has tons of free and premium themes to choose from. Pick one that's responsive, meaning it works well on both desktop and mobile devices. Step 5. Customize your website. It's time to personalize your website. You can customize your theme by changing the colors, fonts, and layouts. Don't forget to add pages like home, about, services, and contact. Make sure your content is clear, concise, and engaging. Step 6. Add plugins for extra features. To make your website even more powerful, you can add plugins. Plugins are like apps that enhance your site's functionality. Want better SEO? Try Yoast SEO. Need a contact form? Check out Contact Form 7. Remember to keep your plugins updated for security and performance. Step 7. Launch and optimize. Once everything looks great, hit the Publish button and launch your site. But your work isn't over yet. Keep monitoring your website's performance, update content regularly, and use tools like Google Analytics to track visitors and improve your site over time. And there you have it. Creating a website doesn't have to be hard. Follow these steps and you'll have a fully functional website up and running in no time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you found this helpful. Thanks for watching and happy website building.